Hey, welcome back, fam. I just picked up a DoorDash, $17.50. You know the boy had to snatch that one up. About 11 miles. We heading here now to get ready to go drop that off to our customer. You know what I'm saying? So it's popping. I mean, I've been getting some pretty good big orders from DoorDash here lately. I don't know what the deal is. I've been getting some whoppers, man. I've been getting some nice little orders from, them 2 digits, man. I like them 2 digits numbers. Yeah, it's been pretty good here lately. I don't know what's going on, but hey, my market is doing good. I don't know how about you guys' market, your market, but DoorDash, I hear a lot of people saying the DoorDash is slowing down, it's not this and not that. But to me, I think you still can get some pretty decent orders on DoorDash if you just keep grinding, man. You just keep going after them, keep grinding. Hey, many people don't like DoorDash, and many people want to leave DoorDash, but it always seems that a lot of people are still using DoorDash. They still haven't left DoorDash. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of people say they leave, but they actually haven't. They still using DoorDash as a side hustle. Because DoorDash is hit, man. Everybody knows about DoorDash. That DoorDash is it. You know what I'm saying? Whether they like it or whether you don't like it, whether you don't like the app or whatever, if you click on DoorDash, 95 out of 100, you're going to get some orders. Versus Uber Eats, Grubhub, a lot of other things. But like I said, now that's the food delivery. Now, if you're going in the shopping thing, I think Instacart is probably pretty popular. I've tried to sign up. I actually signed up for Instacart, but in my market, it's just filled up. There's no vacancies. I don't know if it's in this area or I don't know if it's all in North Carolina, in my district, in this part of North Carolina. You know what I'm saying? So, but I signed up for it. I'm on the wait list. So hopefully something will come up. Maybe I can get on Instacart so I can start making some hustle on that as well. I like to try it out just to see how it does. At least to have it on my arsenal, and one of my arsenals that's making some money, whether I use it a lot or well or not, But food delivery versus shopping, I think shopping is probably a little bit less driving. You're gonna do a lot of less driving, and you're not gonna be putting a lot of wear and tear on your car. And you're probably gonna make some pretty decent money in a certain amount of hours if you like that type of work. Versus food delivery, you're gonna be constantly riding all the time. You're gonna be in your car driving from one area to the next. To me personally, I like the food. I like the food gig. I like to be riding, constantly riding and things like that. I like to shop and get some things out every now and then, but I don't really like shopping for stuff. You know what I'm saying? I don't like trying to find something. Then you go in these stores, half of these stores, most places you guys probably got Costco's and Publix and things like that. Some other kind of store that's on the app that's involved with Instacart. But a lot of times you go in those stores, some of the items they're out. It just seems like it seems like a hassle to me. But I'm gonna give it a try anyway. If I get on to it, I'm gonna give it a try and see how it is. And I'm pretty sure if you know that store very good, you shop at that store, you know where items at, you can probably snatch that order up pretty quickly if you know the store. And I think most people, most shoppers, most drivers probably do know the store and how it's going. But you, as a beginner, for me, I know it's gonna be hectic. It's gonna be a headache because I don't really particularly shop that much, and I'm not a shopper like that. You know what I'm saying? Literally, I don't shop like that. I don't go in grocery stores and shopping and doing stuff like that. Now, if I need something, I go get it, go in there, run back out. And then if I do that, it's taking me 10, 15 minutes to even find what I need from there. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a lot of food delivery is more my cup of tea, because I like to be out and about. I like to get the order, drop it off, snatch it, go deliver it, bam, go to the next. Yes, it's a lot of driving, but that's what I like. In your case, hey, you might like shopping, but it is what it is. Each way you go, you're gonna make the money. You're gonna be driving anyway with your car. Whether you're driving less or more miles. So it's your preference. But like I said, we getting ready to drop this off. Just want to pop the head in here. Like I said, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna give you a little ride along with my day to day. So we're getting ready to. But I just had to stop that. You never know what you're gonna get from DoorDash. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta keep it moving. Do what you gotta do. So like I said, I got all apps on. Hey guys, y'all stay safe. Hey, thanks for watching the video all the way. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel all the way, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post videos. Okay, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up, blow it up. Hey guys, Dash Master. Hey, welcome to the family. Peace. See you shortly. What up, fam? Hey, it's Tuesday, man. I'm out here doing this grind. I'm out here doing the evening shift today. Just had one Uber Eats. I'm doing Uber Eats. And I do have DoorDash and Grubhub open. Just want to pop in and say what's up to you, gang. Whatever's going on with you guys. Hope you out there hustling, getting your grind on, and making that money. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we on the run now with DoorDash. Just got a CVS run, a shop and deliver. We're gonna take it to a hotel. Maybe a minute or two away. Got $7.50 for that order. Hey guys, I hope to be sharing some little bit of videos today. It's on this Tuesday day, right before hump day. You know, so I hope to be sharing a little bit of videos for you guys. Not gonna make it too long, so you know y'all won't be going to sleep on me and things like that. So we're gonna make it real quick, give you a little ride along with my day to day, share some earnings with you guys at the end of the video. By the time I get back to the office at the home, you know what I'm saying? So we'll tally all that up, as they say, tally. We'll tally all that up at the end of the video and let you guys see how much I actually did it run. Probably gonna run from like 4 to about 9 o'clock tonight, and then we're gonna tally all things up and see how much we earn from Grubhub, Uber Eats, if Grubhub, we got something Grubhub, enjoy that. So hey guys, see you guys later. Talk to you guys. Stay safe out there. Always keep your head on swivel. You never know what things going around. Gotcha. And of course, she's gonna interrupt my video just like always. But like I said, hey guys, peace. Stay safe out there. Dash Master. Life, baby. All right, now we just dropped that order off for CVS. We're getting ready. Let's see what we can get into some more. Can we make some more money? You know what I'm saying? So like I said, if I can just open my door, that was a pretty easy delivery there. You know what I'm saying? Basic was a CVS, maybe 2 miles from. So it was very good snacks for $7.50. So you know what I'm saying? So we had to get that one. But like I said, it is Tuesday, guys. Hey man, I hope y'all are having a good time out there today. I hope you out there hustling. You getting everything you wanted. Hey, I hope you ain't been working too long, guys, because you need to really rest and get yourself together. You know, like I said, I got home about 2 o'clock today. Got me about a couple hours of sleep time. Man, I'm good to go for the evening shift, man. I'm wide awake, I'm focused, I'm alert. You know, I'm ready to get it popping, baby. That's what's up. So get your rest in, guys. Don't be driving all night, all day with no rest, no sleep, no nothing. them bull drinks, man, all that stuff, Magnum, man, that stuff ain't gonna do nothing but make it even worse, brother. So get your rest in, get your body motivated, then get you some sleep time. Man, you in there by the evening shift, man, you be able to work and rock and roll all the way up to 10, 11, 12, whatever your market may be. You may be 12, 1 o'clock in the evening. I don't know. Like I said, guys, stay safe out there. Dash Master. Hey, welcome to the family. Hey, if you haven't joined the family, man, come on, hit that subscribe button, man, and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I share a new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, blow it up, blow it up, blow it up. You know what we say here at Dash Master, you know what I'm saying? So just blow that up. Hey, welcome to the family. Thank you for all my new subscribers. If you're new, thank you for watching the video all the way, man. All the way. Watch the video all the way. It may have something in there for you. Who knows? May have some good tips. May have some enjoyable scenery. May have some scenes going on to make you relax, make you think. Maybe talking about anything. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, we just gonna get it popping, baby. I just want to pop my head in here and say I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel, Dash Master. I do appreciate it, guys. My Dash Master community. Do appreciate it. Hey, join the family, man. Join the family. Hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the chats, baby. See you in the chats. Thank you very much. Hopefully we can go live. We get the numbers up. We can go live on it, do some live stuff. That's what my goal is, getting those numbers up. Hey, welcome back, family. I just been having a couple of Grubhub orders that's been banging, boy. $17 here, $16 here, 5 miles. I'm getting ready to pick up one here from Bay Breeze Fish House for $16. So Grubhub has really been coming through tonight on this Tuesday night, man. I don't know what's going on. So, but I've been snatching them up. So Grubhub is looking good tonight on Tuesday before hump day. So we get ready to grab this up, drop it off to our customers, and then we're gonna see it tonight. It is now 8 o'clock, guys, so I'll probably get ready to shut this video down, but we're gonna tally up everything that I made before this night on this Tuesday night and see who came through the most. Hey, was it DoorDash, Uber Eats, or was it Grubhub? Grubhub is on thing, man. They doing their thing tonight. I don't know what to say about it, guys. Hey, guys, we'll see you in the next clip. Take care. Have a good night. Stay safe out there. Keep your head on swivel. Talk to you guys later. Hey, what up, fam? I just picked up dropped off one Grubhub to, I had that Bay Breeze, dropped that off. A stack order Grubhub popped up for Applebee's and another place. I think it's Ashby, something like that. But $24 or something like that. So I come to find out, that Grubhub, I talked to one guy that I went to grab a order up, and he was saying that he got a message from Grubhub that they offer free delivery. So free delivery for all this limited time. I don't know how long it's going to be, what they offer, but they offer some kind of special to customers that even if you're Amazon Prime member or something like that, you get free delivery from Grubhub. Amazon is backing up Grubhub, so they're trying to get back on the map. I don't know. Is he or is it not? I don't know. But he was telling me that he got a message from Primetime saying that you get free delivery from Grubhub if you order Grubhub. So then I kind of find out that yeah, there is free delivery for Grubhub at a limited time. So that's probably why I'm getting these big orders like this, $24, $17, things like that, because they big orders, and you know I'm snatching them up. They ain't too many miles, 5 or 6 miles, and I'm snatching them up, even though they're a stack order, but they only a few miles away. They not really long distance. So I'm staying in my little region, my little money making region, and popping them off, like just snatching them up, like left and right, you know. All the way up, my block is all the way up to 9 o'clock. It's 8:30 right now, and my block is not over until 9 o'clock. So, but hey, they coming in. So that's why Grubhub is, I'm having so many Grubhub orders tonight which is unusual. I never hardly get any Grubhub orders. But now, I guess Grubhub is trying to get back on the map. And everybody's snatching them up. Everybody's taking that offer. Everybody's doing the thing. Hey, can't hate it. I'm making money. Whatever they gotta do, hey, I'm in the game. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to let you guys know, if you see the reason why you're getting a lot of Grubhub orders, that's the reason why, because it's a limited time. I guess it's a yearly time for a whole year or something like that. You get free delivery from Grubhub, and that's why people are using Grubhub. Now, if you see significant amount of orders coming from Grubhub, that's why, baby. Check it out. Dashmaster community, thank you, baby people. Hey, I see y'all. We'll tally all this up tonight. Talk to you guys later in the next clip. Just want to share that information. Peace. Hey, what up, fam? Hey, this is your boy Dashmaster here. Hey, I just want to give you an update on my total earnings for last night's run. So I just want to give you, I had $70.91 from DoorDash, had $16.51 from Grubhub, and then I had $30.42, 3 deliveries from Uber Eats. So total $118.24. That's really not that. It's really pretty good in my book for that run. So hey, that was last night. So we're gonna see what we can do for the rest of the week. We'll see what's going on for you guys. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't want to make it too long and too boring, you know what I'm saying, you know. But I do appreciate you watching the whole entire video, and I hope you give this video some thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe to the channel and come and Dashmaster, come and join the Dashmaster family and be a part of the community as well. I do appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you. Showing much love you guys, and hope to see you in the next video. Talk to you guys later. Peace.